I remember the color of your hair, the shape of your ears. I remember everything about you.
In time you'll forget about him. What does he matter? Being in love. That you'll remember.
Suddenly, I was terrified of losing you, and I didn't know why.
Boris, it was nice. This vacation, wasn't it?
I think it was the nicest vacation I ever had.
You told me all that matters is the color of the sky. But you knew better, didn't you?